America is officially banning China from buying $20 billion of strategic domestic agricultural desert land.
This intense geopolitical friction seamlessly transfers vast agricultural property control across critical American and Chinese borders. Highly responsive American engineering networks ensure aggressive Chinese real estate acquisitions won't threaten sensitive domestic agricultural fields. Strategic properties inside America are systematically restricted, leaving deep Chinese investment networks completely locked outside today. Meanwhile, millions of innocent American civilians face severe food supply shocks across expansive, dry regional deserts.
Advanced American regulations aggressively halt specialized Chinese farming corporations from operating heavy industrial equipment nationwide.
Brilliant Chinese planners carefully monitor changing local soil humidity levels, maximizing national crop harvest profits.
Frustrated American politicians desperately attempt negotiating strict land treaties, but massive Chinese financial leverage dominates. Giant autonomous American vehicles intercept heavy Chinese supply shipments, traveling directly through treacherous high-altitude deserts.
Shocking American satellite images vividly reveal massive hidden Chinese monitoring structures developing heavily over dry landscapes.
Powerful American structural engineering units actively protect critical facilities from aggressive Chinese technological intervention tactics. Secure American underground intelligence vaults carefully track continuous Chinese infrastructure projects expanding throughout extreme freezing deserts. Automated Chinese robotic systems carefully fuel massive agricultural machinery, maintaining immediate operational dominance inside America. Thermal imaging cameras vividly reveal massive automated Chinese cold fronts spreading rapidly over valuable American territory. Heavily fortified American border installations stand completely silent, guarding local assets from foreign Chinese surveillance. Subterranean American pumping networks continuously reclaim vital regional water reserves, diverted by complex Chinese setups. Heavy interlocking American security doors physically separate modern scientific installations from nearby Chinese commercial operations. Secure underground American networks transmit shocking data regarding secret Chinese soil exploration operations immediately today. America and China fiercely compete, securing total administrative control over this unprecedented, monumental global food crisis. Automated Chinese warehouse systems organize valuable crop shipments, ensuring immediate distribution away from America completely. Massive air filtration infrastructure continuously recycles oxygen throughout deep secret subterranean American and Chinese bunkers. Every single acre represents massive Chinese financial investments, shifting global agricultural dominance away from America.
High-capacity American filtration setups monitor massive chemical volumes used by neighboring Chinese facilities daily.
This brilliant American legal framework ultimately ensures absolute strategic resource dominance over competing Chinese networks.
Frustrated American farmers frequently gather together demanding total bans against expanding Chinese corporate agricultural expansion.
Witness how incredible, massive American financial policies heavily restrict Chinese investments, changing modern global geopolitics.
These incredibly powerful Chinese farming operations simply won't ever stop extracting highly valuable American resources. Experience this magnificent high-altitude security network, safeguarding internal American assets from international Chinese control.
Would America gladly sacrifice its own essential national food security just to acquire Chinese wealth?
Could this terrifying multi-billion-dollar America versus China land war permanently reshape global trade forever?